Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a pepper bird. I make one pepper bird like this. I'm making one more pepper bird. So we want two color papers. One is big, one is small, and we have to fold it two, and we have to cut it half circle. When we open this paper, we will got a full circle. Now let's cut the tail. Now let's make the bird's beak. Now let's stick the eyes. Now let's decorate this bird with these beads. So our two cutie birds are ready. These two looking up. You can see it, and I can